Wow!
Thank you.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Kaya sa mga kaibigan namin yun. Ako po si Juan, yung nabubwisit na po na nag-setup ng party na to. Dahil napakahirap po ng i-surprise si Porsche. At kami ng anak ko na si Cheska. Nasa si Cheska? Yan. So kami po ni Cheska ay stress na po sa nanay niya dahil naku po, ang dami-daming tanong. To the point na sinabi na lang namin, manahimik ka na lang. Pag-aawayan na namin. But first of all, maraming salamat po sa mga nagpunta despite the unfavorable weather. At yun po, welcome sa surprise birthday natin for Porsche and celebration din ng kanyang second anniversary ng kanyang page na Real Talk with Porsche. So with that, I'd like to call on siyempre the birthday girl in front. Dito tayo.
Thank you so much, Motor ni Juan. Una, thank you sa pag-organize ng party na to. Yung surprise party mo para sa akin. Na medyo recently lang, sorry, nabuko ko ng konti. Pero the whole thing tonight, promise, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong mangyayari. So, thank you for joining me, us, our family, for this occasion. This is not just a birthday party, but also second year anniversary ng Real Talk with Porsche. With almost 75K followers to date. Yun. So, yung mga nandito, I think, na-real talk ko na ba lahat? Except yata kay Papa Dudes. Ayun. Except kay Papa Dudes. So, next ka na yata, no? Ayun. So, yun nga, syempre, maraming salamat kasi umuulan. May nanggaling pa sa mas malayong lugar. I'll call each and everyone, no? Thank you, Boss Batusay, Papa Dudes, si Shay, Sir Glenn of Sec, Sir Jason of Sec, Ma'am Kamay, of course, our coach, Coach Mel, and Ma'am Vin. Yeah. Everyone from the media, and then Lifestyle on Wheels, Tuner, of course, Yamaha family, unexpected! Thank you! Ma'am Jen and Sir Tony, grabe kayo, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Of course, the Villeza family of AV Moto Tuning. Who else? Sorry. Sir Mel, Sis, And of course, all about Wheels Manila. Of course, yung ating music team here, our friend since then, Elmer. Magaling po ito kumanta, Malagari V ang boses nito mamaya, papasample tayo. And of course, our favorite, Rafael Porte. So, mamaya pakiligin nyo kami, no, habang kami ay umiinom ng aming cocktails and hard drinks. Yun. Of course, Martin approved, Koy Moto Vlog, Kuya JJ, my family, 4th, 5th, Ate Cheska, Kuya Bobot. The one at the back was the one who took care of me when I was still a baby. Si Kuya Bobot, yung naka-white. Deaf and mute siya. I grew up with him, so I know a little sign language. Yeah, so ngayon, inaalagaan niya naman yung mga anak ko once in a while. So, love ko yan. Love na love ko yan. And of course, nasan ba? Busy doon. Moto Tiangge team. Guys, Juan Moto Avenue team. Juan Moto Box team. Medyo tinipid. Ayun, maraming salamat. Kumain tayo, mag-enjoy tayo, uminom tayo, and let's make this night a very memorable one. I love you all, guys. Final message bago ako malasing mamaya. Ayun, syempre walang sawang pasasalamat sa lahat. From this table hanggang dun sa dulo at ang mga hahabol pa. I cannot thank you enough. Alam ko naman na hindi nyo inisip na may pagkain at may inuman dito. Ang sa akin, kaya kayo nandito because love begets love and respect begets respect. Yon ang alam ko kung bakit kayo nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat.